Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert A4 paper to AS letter size in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher doc. Now we want to convert A4 paper to letter size. Go to the page design menu. Then we can see here many options. We select the size option and we can see here selected the A4 size. Now we want to make this paper size letter. Go to down and we can see here the letter size. Now we select it. Then we can see all page size converted to A4 paper to letter size very easily. You can apply more size. Go back again this size option and apply any size. Otherwise you can create custom size. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.